Hi, my name is Prabhavan. Today it's like about switching theory and logical designing. So my topic is about the binary conversion in this subject, switching theory and logical designing. So let us start. Binary conversion. Binary conversion is a process of converting numbers between the decimal system and the binary system. It is a crucial understanding binary as it forms the foundation of how data is represented and processed in the computing. Is the numbers between the decimal system and the binary system. Convert the numbers between the decimal and binary system. Decimal means 10, binary means 2. We are converting these systems. It is crucial to understand binary as it forms the foundation how data is represented and procedure in the computing. Master of binary conversion enables better comparison of computer operations and digital technologies. You can also use in computers and digital technologies. Introduction to binary. Binary is a foundation for computer system visible data and storage in the formatting that machines can efficiently work with. Means we are using computer systems and visible data storage passing in the format. So what is binary? Binary means base two numerical system using 0 and 1. Decimal versus binary. Decimal is base is 10, binary base is 2. Understanding both is the key for e-conversion. Important of important of binary. Binary is an essential data for storage and processing in the computer. Can store the data by using this type of binaries. Essential data storage and processing in the computer. And process the all decimals in binary storage in the computer. For example, we have uh, this. Uh, so we have 27 and 27.31, 27.3. Actually, this is decimal, and this one is hexadecimal. So we can convert these two into binary. First, we have to take 27 subdivision method. We have to take 27 for division method. First method is division method. Division method to convert the decimal number to binary. To binary, divide with the number by 2 and recorded by the remainder. Uh, Step 2, example conversion. For decimal number 13, dividing by 2, use reminders of 1, comma 0, comma 3, comma 0, comma 0, comma 1. For the decimal number 13, by dividing by 2. So shortcut for power of 2. Next, by converting binary to decimal. Understanding binary weights, each each digit in a binary number has a weight that it is a power of two. Starting from right, weights are 2 power 2 greater than 0 or some 1. For example, conversion for binary 1101 calculated 1 into 2 3 plus. Like this, we can substitute the given binary code and we get the resulting is in the 13 is in decimal. Use the values. Question of binary conversion. Binary conversion binary conversion plays a pivotal role in various fields including computer computer programming and digital electronics and data compressions. Understanding the application helps professional users binary for optimal functions. So we can use the binary conversion computer programming also in digital electronics and data compressions. For example, computer programming, understanding binary is real for the programs. We can use binary conversion programs also. We can also use it in digital electronics. Binary code signals are essential in hardware design. We can also use it in hardware design and data compressions. Knowledge of binary aid AIDs in the efficient data storage. Can also use in data compression for data storage. Tools for binary conversion. Online calculators for fast solution of the decimal and binary conversion. You can also use the calculator for the model of the FX CW for cash FX CW is um, calculator we can use for decimal and binary conversion in that. Programming languages. Uh, Second tool, programming languages. Built-in functions for binary conversion in languages like Python. And we can also use it in C programs also, programming language. C, C++, Java, and Python. Education apps. Introduce tools for learning binary conversions. You can also use it for education apps also for learning binary conversions. Common mistakes in binary conversion. So we can do some mistakes in binary conversion. Overlook reminders, forgetting to keep or read the reminders correctly and can result in the errors. So we can do one mistakes in binary conversion where the number was right or wrong in the given questions or not. Second, miscalculating powers. So sometimes we enter the different numbers and different powers in the given questions. So we should enter this given question and number for every digit carefully. Counting the positions is vital and to avoid incorrect results. Third, assuming leading zeros. So we get over among so many zeros. So we have to avoid the zeros. So we have to get only answers in the by calculating the binary conversions. Real world real world binary examples. Nowadays we use the binary in real world for data reservations. Binary is used to represent all types of data in computers. So it was used in computers for to represented all data types and data in computer. So computer can show all much and everything in the data representation. The computers are used in all data types and in the computers can use and gives and all the data for the computes what we give the inputs. File formatting. We can convert the images and videos are stored in the binary formats like zip and MP4. Like we store the so heavy and can save the every types of files in the binary formats like this in these types. Networking and protocols. Protocols like TCP and IP was used in binary numbers for communications. Nowadays, communications are improved very well for the networking protocols. There is no communication between two people. There are most time will be taken. Memory storage, computer memory, RAM, HDD, operated by computer system. So memory storage also used in binary systems. Binary binary security functions. So we have security functions in binaries. For example, data encryptions. Binary represents to ensure data is securely encoded. The binary was encoded in this. No one can crack your functions and they will don't hack your subjected codes or subject related formalities. Sure communication. Binary systems are fundamental in establishing secure channels. Secure communications in binary. Binary systems are fundamental in establishing secure channels. Your data will be secure in the binary channel by fundamental established channel, secure channels. The information will be secured from this fundamental in digital signatures. Binary code verifier. The method of digital message. So we get your digital binary code, verify your mathematical of digital message. So you will get a message, text message according to your personal mails, the documentations. You can verify your accounts and accounts by using binary code to verify. You will get a digital message. Cyber theater decision. Binary is a pattern identifying and autonomous threats in the binary data integrity. We have data integrity in binary conversion, error detection, data verification, redundancy checks, data hashing, consistent updates. So error detection means the binary system enables real-time error detection correction. It will give errors and detections, and it will also done corrections among your binary system. And data verification that ensures that integrity transmitted with data through checksums. It also verifiable data through checksums, redundancy in checks, employing redundancy to represent data loss during transmissions. Data hashing. Next one is data hashing. The data hashing means your data will be hashed out and will be completely disappears. Binary present data representation, measurement accuracy, error, mitigation, data efficiency, unit assurance. So data representation is a binary format represented as the percentage of total capacity. The percentage will be displayed as this. Along this step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We conclude that binary conversion represents converts data into efficient formats and precious enhancement, represent improve accuracy in measurements and error identifications, helps to detect distinct effectively. Efficiency gain utilizing binary streams data processing. So this is the conclusion of the binary conversion.